My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
Life is just like this.
3, 4? Oh, I'm getting too many. What the I was able to secure 5 t-shirts today. Here we have the black skeleton Air Force 1. I just copped a bunch of makeup. I got one. I ended up with 2 Yeezys and 1 Jordan 1. Yo, what's good? A box came in, let's open it. Beautiful red Jordan 1 box. This one is a size 9. It's a little bit too tacky for my taste. When I was looking at the picture, I thought only this part and this part would be patent leather, but no, the entire upper is patent leather except for the tongue, obviously. I wonder how comfortable these would be. I'd imagine these would be really uncomfortable, but it is what it is. I'm glad I got these. Jordan 1 mids are going to be dropping real soon. I hope we can get them.
Ready? I don't know, let's see. Oh, what the hell? Nothing.
Did this work though?
Nothing drops. Oh, there it goes. Oh no, wait, that's nothing.
I got him!
Did it?
What the?
Oh, got one.
On sneakers?
What's that?
Me too, I got a fucking size 8, baby.
Hell yeah.
Let's go. That's my first up I hit.
Nice. And it's a size 8. Size 8.
Hey, nice.
Oh shoot, I got one.
Damn it, I got checkout failure. Fuck me.
No way, I got 2 on B&B, what the heck?
I got 0 because
No way. Yup, 3rd one. What the fuck B&B is? What the hell, why am I copying so much?
What size?
Another one. 4th. On B&B,
Size?
all size 9.
Yo.
Nice.
What? Did I get it? Did I get it? When I hit purchase, it said this offer is no longer valid. So did I get it or did I not get it? I got charged, but and it says I can't even talk. I think I'm going to check my email. No, I can't check my email. This is from a Nike account that I actually bought. I think I got it, guys. This is the first Travis Scott shoe I've got since the first OG Travis Scott Air Force 1s, which I got 3 of with the help of Joy. And dude, I haven't been able to touch any of his shoes, but it finally happened. It was bound to happen, it finally happened. Shout out to ShoePlex for the information. Y'all came in clutch. This video is sponsored by ShoePlex. This premium cook group will provide you with all the information you need to start taking W's on limited profitable releases, site lists, guides, monitors, an incredible support staff, and much more. But what sets them apart is their plugs. This allows ShoePlex members to get a heads up for many of the shock drops that occur ahead of time, which means you can prepare for drops that most other people won't know about until it happens. At $60 a month, this is on the more expensive side when it comes to groups, but this is the group that gave me the information on how to cop myself an early pair of Travis Scott Air Force 1s from the shock drop, as you just saw. And these guys are also one of the groups that helped me cop the blue off-white Air Force 1s MCA. They were able to help me get a lot of other W's throughout my reselling journey, but these two shoes alone can net me a profit of over $2,000, and I didn't even have to use bots to get these. ShoePlex will be restocking on November 27, 2019 via their Twitter, but membership spots are limited, so if you want to join, you gotta be ready and you gotta be fast. Good luck. Yesterday was absolutely crazy. I got a total of 6 shoes and one of them were the Travis Scott Air Force 1s. But the thing is, the sneaker releases are not stopping yet. Tomorrow there is going to be some Air Force 1 clots that will be dropping. Do believe that this is incredibly limited, so I'm not expecting to cop, but we're gonna try anyway.
Oh, here we go.
Bro.
It takes some time to load, but then it kicked me out and it's just some kind of fucking error. And it's all too. Yeah, same thing.
Got him, baby. Got the crotch size 5. Let's go.
Oh, nice, dude. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah.
That's
Yup.
crazy. You hit, bro. Congrats.
Thank you, dog. Oh, I'm saying, last.
Nice.
Yo, I think I got it.
What's good, everyone? I hope you're having a great day. It seems I sold my Nike X CPFM jersey for about $270. Now my payout is going to be a little bit less than that, but nevertheless I shipped it out already, so my buyer should be getting it soon. Anyways, a lot of boxes came in the mail today, so I'm going to open them up and then show you guys what's inside. Alright, first up we have the Clouds in size 8. Wave Runners in a size 5.5. And finally, we have Jordan 1 mids. Had 3 of them come in. All of the ones that came in are size 9. As you know, I ran my B&B bot for all size 9s. If you are interested in purchasing the bot that I used to be able to get these, the link is in the description. It's called Betternikebot, but you have to make sure that you buy the sneakers version. It only supports Nike sneakers and that's it. But in my opinion, it is the best working sneakers bot and they've been in the market for a really long time. I also have a tutorial on how to use the bot and how to set it up. So if that's something you're interested in, check it out. Anyways, moving along with the unboxing, let's see what these look like. This white part right here, I thought it would be much lighter, but I think it's made to look like it's been worn, that it's been yellowing. I think that's the kind of aesthetic that they were going for. The shoe definitely has a lot of character. But would I wear it on my feet personally? Probably not. But I do have a lot of appreciation for the design behind this and how it looks. Some more boxes came in. Let's open these up. This box is freaking awesome. Here we have the blue ones. I don't know if there's like a proper name for these. Tyler the Creator fans are probably gonna hate me. The official colorway title is Baby Blue. These I'm probably going to let go of almost right away. So yeah, I got some selling to do. We got 3 boxes that came in the mail today, so let's open them up. This box is pretty banged up. So it's these in the size 10. Another Jordan 1 Mid Fearless in the size 9. Whoa, that's new. This is an Air Force box with a print of a Jordan 1 box. This one is a size 9. What the heck? What is that? I don't even know what it is, but it's a imperfection of some sort. As far as the looks, it's as underwhelming as it looks in the pictures. I really thought these would like pop out at me the moment I opened them. I was really excited to finally get these in my hands, but now that I do, it's really not all that crazy. I would take the shroud off, but I'm too scared that I would break something, so I won't do that. Maybe at most I would unzip it. Oh, there's like this thing here. Yeah, I'm just gonna zip it back up. If anybody else got these, let me know in the comments below whether or not yours is like all dirty and like stained and stuff, because mine is like trash. There's not much else to say about this other than it's quite underwhelming in hand. And because of that, I think I'm gonna try to sell these right away before the upcoming general release. There are a few drops that are taking place today. Number 1 is the Supreme Remoas, and number 2, the Off-White Nikes. And I am deciding to pass up on both of these because when it comes to Supreme, there is a lot of uncertainty when it comes to stock numbers. No one really ever knows what stock is going to look like for some of these items. And the Remoas are very expensive, so that's just not a risk that I'm willing to take right now. And for the Nike Off-Whites, man, I never thought Off-White would break, but it's breaking, man. So yeah, I'm passing up on both of those. However, there is a drop that I am going to be going for. So today, an American Eagle 2019 1-ounce silver enhanced reverse proof coin is going to be dropping. Now this costs about $70, but on eBay pre-orders are selling for over $300. So even if the price goes down for these after the release happens, there is still a lot of margin for the price to go down and me still making money. Once these release, I really hope people don't start undercutting each other, kind of what happens in the sneaker community sometimes. But I'm gonna go for these and I feel like I'll be able to make some pretty good money off of them. But first, we have to see if we can cop.
Oh, finally got one. Son of a... Oh, got my second one. I'm going for my third dress. Got 3. Alright, that's it. That's it for me. Thank you, guys.
It hasn't even been 3 hours yet, but I've already sold one of the coins for $370 on eBay. My payout is going to be a little bit less because of fees and shipping, but this is a come up for such a small amount of work. I messed up by doing this. If you're already familiar with what happened to these coins, then you know that this was a mistake. For the rest of you, I'll explain why a little later.
Shout out to the Price Error for providing us with this information. They were one of the first groups to know about this reselling opportunity, and then a few other groups caught on and notified their members about it, but the Price Errors were able to help their members set up way in advance. I sold another one of the coins for $450, and that's almost $100 more than how much I sold the other one for. So that means I sold the other one for way less of a price than I should have, but you know, it is what it is, things happen. So at this point, these were not bad prices. But watching back on this now, this was a huge mistake, because not too long after this moment, the market price for these coins more than doubled, with some sales reaching over $1,000. That's right, I sold 2 coins for a total of $820 when I could have made $2,000. If only I had waited a little bit longer. But what I do have is the option of canceling my buyers so that I can relist these for a better price. But the reason why I won't is because my eBay account's feedback rating is flawless. And because of this, I've been able to sell many limited items for a premium, and this is something that I want to continue to do. So I decided that it won't be worth it to take a short-term gain to potentially getting a bad review from an upset customer, which may result in long-lasting negative effects. This may or may not be the right course of action, but either way, canceling on a buyer just because I was misinformed about what I'm dealing with seems like a scummy thing to do anyway. And I do have one more left, the last coin I will be holding onto just to see what happens. But anyways, we have some boxes that came in the mail. Let's open them. Fearless Mid, this time in a size 8.5. And we have another Converse. These are the new ones that came out recently. I actually really like these. The color and the design on these are just so nice. Maybe I should have gone for more of them, but these aren't as easy to sell as some of the more hype pieces, but I shouldn't have any problems. Tomorrow there is going to be even more drops. We're gonna have some Jordan 1 mids, and then we have some New Balances that we're gonna try to cop, and then the day right after that are the Yeezy 380 Aliens. And it seems like there's a drop every single day, like can't catch a break, but we'll see how I do on the next episode.